Strategic planning and execution has become a central part of the project delivery conversation. However, historically, resource management has been the missing piece to strong delivery. In this video, I will share why resource management is the secret to successful execution. I'm Samantha Varner, Director of Customer Success with Prosymmetry, where I work with hundreds of customers around the world to achieve success with resource management. True strategy execution starts with setting the vision, defining the outcomes, identifying the work, and understanding what work can get done. This sounds like a lot, but with resource capacity planning, this is easily achievable. A project without a resource plan is just a hope. To understand if that project can get done, you need to know the roles and the skills needed to do the work and how much effort it will take. Resource capacity is the currency to strategic delivery. No amount of task management or setting project milestones can give you the long-term visibility like resource management can. To learn more about this topic, visit prosymmetry.com today.